storm surge, it was this high. Not even the strong, firm concrete structure could have withstand the force of the storm. Everything, fireman.
Yes, sir.
Boy. Everything completely flattened. Right? And that's the story for most of the businesses that face the sea. Flattened. Seriously flattened. See there? Walls, you're looking right through, straight through the walls to the sea. Where the sea just walk through. Some are actually walking on the rubbles in the town right now. See there? At the road this me should be walking on. There's actually rubbles. These are all. Huh? Yeah, so that's one of the ATMs. Somebody tried to get in there, but